It's been dry over the eastern parts of the country the last few weeks, but this weekend we are expecting isolated showers to bring some relief from the dry conditions, with the rainy weather clearing over the western part of the country, says your forecast. On Saturday morning, a freezing cold morning with foggy conditions over the western and central interior. Scattered showers still possible over the southwestern Cape due to this cold front, but the cold front then moving away from the country, with the rainy weather clearing over the southwestern part of the country into Saturday evening. An onshore flow of air behind the cold front will now bring isolated showers to KwaZulu-Natal, with drizzle possible in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Scattered showers mainly on Saturday morning still possible in parts of the Winelands, the Overberg and the Garden Route. Isolated showers for the adjacent areas, including the Southern Cape. On Sunday morning, another foggy and frosty morning in store, with widespread frost possible over the central and western interior. Foggy conditions and cloudy weather now over the eastern part of the country, with isolated showers spreading into Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo. Cloudy conditions later also moving over parts of the Karoo, the western and the eastern Cape. But we can see isolated light showers possible in KwaZulu-Natal, around the escarpment and in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, bringing some relief from the heat the last few days. Westerly to southwesterly winds blowing around the southern and the eastern coast behind this cold front on Saturday. Windy conditions expected in parts of the Bushveld and over the Highveld. Fresh southerly winds blowing around the southern coast of our neighbouring country Namibia on Saturday and Sunday, but then mostly calm conditions expected on Sunday, with westerly winds still blowing around the southern coast. On Saturday morning, freezing cold conditions expected over the western and central interior, -2 the morning. In Sutherland, the R as well as Bloemfontein, widespread frost is possible, so please be careful. A comfortable morning around the eastern coast and over the eastern parts of the country. Then on Saturday afternoon, freezing cold around Sutherland, only 8 the afternoon there, as well as over the high-lying areas in the Cape Provinces. A cold day in store for Bloemfontein, so if you are watching the Springboks take on Portugal at the Toyota Stadium in Bloemfontein, please take a jacket with. It will be quite chilly, but remaining comfortable over the northeastern part of the country, 24 the afternoon in Pretoria and Mpumalanga. On Sunday morning, another freezing cold morning over big parts of the country, -4 the morning in Bloemfontein as well as Sutherland. Widespread frost yet again possible, so please be careful. Remaining comfortable over the eastern part, 30 in the morning in Mpumalanga. Then on Sunday afternoon, we're expecting the cooler conditions to spread into the Highveld as well as into Limpopo, 23 the afternoon in Polokwane, remaining cold over the Cape Provinces as well as in parts of the Free State, only 15 the afternoon in Cape Town and Graaff-Reinet, temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius in KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Monday, we're expecting a bit warmer conditions over the western parts of the country, Vredendal reaching a high of 23, remaining comfortable in and around Gauteng, Pretoria also reaching a high of 23, but remaining cold over parts of the northern, the western and the eastern Cape as well as the Free State, Bloemfontein reaching a high of 20. Well, that's all from me. Stay warm this weekend and go Bokke!